Masayang binahagi ni Judy Ann Santos, ang pagbisita ng actress na si Judy Santa Maria sa kanyang restaurant. Makikita ang mga larawan kung saan, ay nagkwentuhan ang dalawang magagaling na actress, at makikita din na kasama ni Judy ang kanyang anak na lalaki sa dati nitong asawa.
I love sharing this story. This is a pulveron recipe that's made by our eldest daughter, Johan. There was a time that she wanted to have a phone, an iTouch, and we told her, you can't buy it, but you can earn it. So we gifted her a kit full of baking supplies. So she sold a lot of pulveron for her to be able to buy her own iTouch. And this is one of the recipes that she made. She made a lot of flavors, but this is the original one. Toasted pulveron crust on crescent putti cheesecake. On top of it is a guava and strawberry compote. So you can enjoy it on its own or you can enjoy it together. Enjoy! Ang dami enjoy! Menu that we created is very Filipino. Before we would call this Luz Bimin.
It's time for our palate to be cleansed. Asin. Pero masarap. It's the potion bottle. Creamy limoncello. First batch na natin. It's the best. It's super good. Congratulations, Ate!
So this, please enjoy this dish one at a time and then together because it complements very well. The sambal, it could be spicy for some of you, but for some, it's just right. So for everybody, please include just a bit of sambal to complement and to bring the dish together. Enjoy!
Mama, ano itong katabi?
It's up to you if you want to mix the rice all together or if you want to eat it as 1:1. Please enjoy. Okay, finally. Ito na nga. Thank you. Sino na natin? Ito na siya. Thank you, Nina. Thank you, love. Have a seat, let's find out. Are you good drink? Are you ay, creamy lemon siya. Mamaya may story behind it.